In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Zoho Books data efficiently in just 5 minutes. Backing up your business's financial data is crucial, and today will ensure that your information is secure and retrievable whenever needed. First, let's start with logging into your Zoho Books account. Make sure you have your credentials ready for a smooth login experience. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books dashboard where all the magic happens. This is your main hub for managing and overseeing your financial data. Next, look for the settings option on the dashboard. This option is usually located in the top right corner and is symbolized by a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to a new page filled with a variety of options that let you customize your Zoho Books experience according to your needs. Now scroll through the options available in the settings menu until you find the developer and data section. Clicking on this will bring you closer to where we need to be for backing up your data. This section is pivotal for handling all things related to your data management and integrations within Zoho Books. As you enter the developer and data section, look out for the data backup option. It's usually straightforward to spot, and selecting it will lead you to the dedicated space for managing your backups. This page plays a critical role in controlling how and when you safeguard your invaluable financial data. Moving on, as you step into the data backup page, the next course of action is to find and click on Backup Your Data. This function initiates the backup process of your financial records in Zoho Books. Thanks to Zoho's user-friendly interface, this option is easy to find and keeps the entire process hassle-free and effective. Once you click on Backup Your Data, Zoho will automatically trigger an email to your registered inbox. This email serves as a confirmation that your backup request is being processed. Be patient and keep an eye on your inbox. In the email from Zoho, you'll find a continue option or link. Click this link to proceed with the process. This step is essential as it acts as a verification, ensuring that it's indeed you initiating this data backup and not someone else. Finally, after completing the verification, you will receive another email containing a download link for your data. This is the last step, but arguably the most important. You can use this link to download your financial data securely and back it up in a safe location of your choice. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to back up your Zoho Books data, providing peace of mind that your financial data is secure and can be conveniently restored whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay backed up.